Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. So I just made myself some breakfast, and so I just did a bagel with cream cheese. This is actually a French toast bagel, and I got it at the local bagel store in Chicago yesterday when I was driving home, because it's Monday, the day after Thanksgiving break or whatever. And so when I drove in yesterday, I got a bagel for breakfast. Then I also got a bagel with a side of cream cheese to go, so I could have it this morning for breakfast, because I knew I was gonna be tired. I wasn't gonna wanna make anything crazy. So yeah, that's my breakfast. So I wanna do a little mini Black Friday haul for you guys. I didn't pick up too many things, but I still wanna share with you guys the items that I did pick up. So I did do shopping in person this year. I kind of wish I went into a little bit more stores, but it was just so busy and it was just very hectic, and so I kind of just went to like the main stores I wanted to go to and didn't really go to any other store to just even like look around, because I feel like it was so crowded that like you couldn't even look around. It was basically like, okay, I know I want this product, so let me go straight to that product, and that's it. So yeah, I didn't really get to browse, which I wanted to do, but honestly it saved me money, so I can't complain. But I already took off the packaging and everything because I used all 3 of these products this morning to get ready. So of course I had to go to Sephora, so I was all out of my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and so I had to pick up another one of this. This is slowly becoming one of my favorite products ever. It is so good. I used it a lot when it first came out, and then I kind of forgot about it, and now I'm back to using it, and it is really good. I also was all out of mascara, and this one was actually, I think this one was 50% off, so it was only like $11 or $12 compared to like the $26, which is great because that's drugstore price. And so this is from Lancome, and this is their Monsieur Big mascara. I used to use this a lot a few years back, and I really liked it, but I just haven't really repurchased it because I love my L'Oreal Lash Paradise, which is like $10-11, where this is like $26. So I'm glad that I was able to get it at like a drugstore price. And then the last thing that I picked up from Sephora was a new brow pencil, because again, I was all out of an eyebrow pencil, and so this is from Anastasia. I want to say this was like 30% off. I think this was like $15 or $16 compared to like the 23, so not a crazy deal, but still a little discount. And so this is just their brow wiz, and I am in the shade Chocolate. So that was everything that I picked up from Sephora. I really wanted to get a new pair of jeans because I feel like I only have black skinny jeans, just because I feel like black is very slimming, and I just feel like that looks best on my body. But I decided to finally branch out and get an actual pair of jeans that aren't black. So these are from Abercrombie & Fitch, and they were doing a 30% off their store, so I thought it was a good deal. So this is their skinny high-rise jean. So they are high-waisted, which I love, and then they just have rips in the knees, which I thought was really cute because I don't really have any ripped pairs of jeans. And then the bottom of the jeans just look like this, so they're not like a complete straight leg, but they're not like super skinny, so that's kind of why I liked them. And so I'm really excited to start wearing these and styling them, so definitely follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see how I style these in the future. And then the last place that I went to was Barnes & Noble, because I wanted to pick up a new book, because the current book that I am reading right now is called One Last Stop, and honestly I just am not into it. I don't really like it, and so I'm on page 154, so I definitely have read like a good amount of the book, but it's just not really my cup of tea. I feel like I love romance novels. Those are like the novels that I like, but I like them to be realistic, and This one is basically about this girl who finds this other girl on the subway and she really likes her, but then they find out that this girl is literally trapped on the subway and like can't get off the subway, and it's been like that for like 40 years. And honestly, I didn't read the back of the book when I first got this. I just saw someone talk about how much they liked it, so I just bought it. Well, actually my sister bought it for me for my birthday. But I feel like I don't like that style of book where it's not realistic. Like, no one is trapped on a subway for 50 years and can't get out. Like, I don't like that it's not realistic in that sense. I probably will finish it at some point, but I wanted to get a new book for the meantime, and so I saw this book. This one is called The Donut Trap, and it's really good so far. I actually started reading it last night, and I am on page 94. It's a very easy read. I'm reading through it pretty fast, and I just saw this at Barnes & Noble. I thought it was funny. I love donuts, and so I thought it was the perfect fit for me, but it's a really interesting book so far, and so I'm really excited to finish reading it. Hopefully I can honestly maybe finish it this week if I start reading at the rate that I was reading last night. So yeah, that is just a little book update also in this little Black Friday haul, but that was everything that I picked up from Black Friday. I'm about to head off to work, so I thought I would just do a quick outfit of the day. Nothing too crazy. My outfit today is super simple, so I'm just wearing my nude heels that are from Target. These navy blue work pants are from Old Navy, and then this white sweater is from American Eagle. I love this sweater. I literally have it in 3 different colors because it is so comfortable. It's so cozy. It's a little cold out today, so I just wanted to be super warm. So yeah, that is my outfit today. I'm about to head off to work, and I will see you guys afterwards. So I'm home now from work, and I originally was planning on going to Trader Joe's today, but honestly I just kind of want to have like a cozy night in. So I'm gonna make some dinner, light a candle, read my book, and I'll go to Trader Joe's tomorrow. I hate grocery shopping. It's literally my least favorite thing ever, and I do have groceries to hold me over for the next couple of days, so I'm just gonna prolong that for as long as I possibly can. So yeah, I just wanted to have like cozy vibes tonight. I'm gonna make a pizza. I'm so excited. This is like my favorite thing. So a restaurant back home in Chicago, sadly it closed down, but they did this, like, it was called their Western pizza, and so it's barbecue sauce, onion, sausage, bacon, and then cheese, and it's so good. And so recently I've been just recreating that on my own, and it's amazing. So I'm gonna make that for dinner. I just wanted to update you guys. Also, crazy, so today at work, we got a phone call, and someone they needed a notary, and I'm a notary, and so they came into the office, and I literally married them in the office today, which was so crazy. So if you ever need a notary, or if you want to be married, hit your girl up, because I can do that for you. But it's kind of funny. So I married this couple, so exciting. But I'm going to start cooking everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking, and yeah, I'm excited to eat. I'm so hungry, and it's like my favorite dinner ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking. So this is the current setup. So I just rolled out the dough. This is like an herb and cheese type of dough because it was the only one that they had left at Trader Joe's. I normally just get like the plain one, and then like that's like the flour on it. And then I have all of my ingredients. So I have the sausage, bacon, and then the onions that I went ahead and cooked. And then I have 2 different types of barbecue sauce because I'm running low on both of them. This one is a blackberry barbecue sauce from Loveless Cafe. And then this one is like a cold brew one from Trader Joe's, and they're both really good. I definitely like the Loveless Cafe one a little bit better, but I might need to just like top off with this one. Like there's literally barely anything left. And then of course I have the cheese. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble all of this. pizza is done and it looks so good. Oh my god, you guys, I am so excited to eat this. I am starving, like I'm so hungry. But while it is cooling off, I'm gonna go ahead and find something to watch on Netflix while I eat. I feel like I have to always watch like a YouTube video or a Netflix show or something while I eat, and I have to have it already picked out before I start eating. And so I was watching Saved by the Bell on Hulu. That's one of my all-time favorite shows. Saved by the Bell and then One Tree Hill are like my top two shows. They are like my comfort shows. I love them so much. And so I was watching that, but I kind of want to watch something else. And I was thinking of maybe like a Netflix movie, like one of the Christmas movies to kind of get in this season, because I just feel like they're like feel-good shows or feel-good movies, and I just like love that. And also I'm not really in the middle of anything right now. I'm not watching anything. I've caught up on all of like my YouTube subscriptions that I want to watch, so it's really free game here. But I think I'm gonna watch like a Christmas movie and just get in the spirit. So I finished dinner and I just lit my favorite candle ever. You guys, this is so good. If you have not smelled this or purchased it, you need to. It's from Bath and Body Works and it is their strawberry pound cake candle, if it will focus. So it's their strawberry pound cake candle. It is so good. I just love it. And you guys already know I'm listening to All Too Well, the 10-minute version, Taylor's version, so many versions. But I literally cannot stop listening to All Too Well. Like every time I play something that's not All Too Well, I'm just like, you know what, like this isn't like good. And so I've literally just been listening to it on repeat. So that's how my life is going. But it is a little bit later. It is 7:40. I feel like this camera is like not focusing right now. I don't know if like I just can't see, but like I feel like it doesn't look like it's focusing. I don't know why coming out in my living room I thought it would focus. But I'm gonna go ahead and start winding down for the night if my camera will focus. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start winding down for the night. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my makeup, shower, and just get super cozy in bed. I lit my candle. I want to read my book, just have like a very cozy night in, which was the plan. So I just showered and I'm going to call it a night. So I'm about to get into bed and I'm honestly just going to be reading this book. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm currently reading The Donut Trap and it's really, really good so far. I definitely would recommend it. So I'm going to call it a night right here, and also where I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog for you guys. And so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.